Hi guys, welcome back. Nancy Robbins' journey here. So I had my trial done yesterday. Got the two leads put in. I have the Boston Scientific Wavewriter Alpha, and the procedure wasn't as bad as I expected. I was more nervous than anything else, of course, but it took total, between getting in, getting prepped, getting it done, it took about 2 hours. And it felt great after I was done. I wanted to dance around. Of course, couldn't, but I wanted to. After the numbing head wore off, of course, where the leads were put in was pretty sore. But I could tell that it was working with my chronic pain. I came home, relaxed. It was kind of difficult to get comfortable, but I managed. Today I had a checkup and I saw a Boston Scientific rep, had it tweaked some. It's not quite catching all of the chronic pain, but it is doing most. Normally, by now, I would be hurting so bad I would have to go to bed, and it's been about 2 hours, and I'm still doing pretty good. It's helping my back pain and some of my leg pain. It's not helping my hip pain as much as I would like, but with time, we'll see. And the rep had told me today that the permit, of course, will be able to cover more areas than what the trial does. But I'll have some pictures of my packaged up bag where they put it in and covered it up. You can't see a whole lot, but kind of. And I also have a picture of the remote, so I'll be including that soon. I have another appointment tomorrow with the rep to see how it's doing, to make sure that everything's good to go. Oh, I also had to have an x-ray today to make sure that the leads are in place where they're supposed to be. So I'm doing pretty good. I'm happy. The pain is at least 50% gone, which is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I'm happy about that. So we will see you next time, guys. Like, comment if you want to, subscribe if you want to get some more information after a while, and we'll talk to you soon.